Good afternoon, class. Today we are going to continue on constructing histogram and using it to estimate mode of your distribution. I want you to look at this question 9 here. The marks obtained by 40 students in an examination are as follows. See the marks, 40 scores. A. Copy and complete the table for the distribution using the above data. Now, we want to complete tally frequency. We'll copy this. For you to achieve that, you come here, you draw out those values, those columns like this. Now, no class intervals. When we say 59.5 to 64.5 under class boundaries, that means you look for values 60 to 64. In reality, theoretically, this is what you have. In reality, you look for 60, 61, 62, 63, 64 here. And when you go, first row nothing, second row nothing, third row 60 to 64, 1, 2, nothing. That's why you have 2 here, and your tally, you fill it. Now, the next one, 64.5 to 69.5, means in reality, you look for value 65 to 69. 65 to 69. 65, 60, 67, 68, 69. Here, you go row by row. First row, nothing. 65 to 69, nothing. 65 to 69, 1. 65 to 69, 2, 3. Just 3 of them. You write the tally. Then for 69.5 to 74.5, that means you look for values 70 to 74 here, which you also go row by row. 70 to 74, 1. 70 to 74, 2, 3. 70 to 74, 4. 70 to 74, 5, 6. That's why we have 6 here. And you make it for your tally 5, then 1. 74.5 to 79.5 in reality means you look for 75 to 79. 75 to 79. That's what you look for. 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Here we have 1, 2, 75 to 79, 3, 4, 5, 75 to 79, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And that's why you are seeing 11 here. Then for your stroke, 5, 5, 1. That's how you will continue. For 79.5 to 84.5, you look for values 80 to 84 in reality. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84 here. So we have 80 to 84, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 80 to 84, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 of them, and your tally 5 and 3. For 84.5 to 89.5, in reality you look for 85 to 89. That's what it means. 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. 1, 2, 85 to 89, 3, 4, 5, 85 to 89, 85 to 89, 6. 85 to 89, 7. And that's why we have 7 here. 5 and 2 under your tally. For 89.5 to 94.5, you look for 90 to 94 in reality. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. 1, 2. We only have 2 of them. And you make for your tally 2. Then for 94.5 to 99.5, in reality, you look for values 95 to 99, values from 95 to 99, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. You move row by row, row by row, 95 to 99, 95 to 99, 95 to 99, 1. So we only have one value. There's only one value there, which is 96, and that is 1. Always check your work. Add everything together here. This is 2 plus 3, 5, 11, 22, 30, 37, 39, 40. According to what you have here, 40 students. Now, after you've copied and you've completed this table, we can now go to B, which is draw a histogram to represent the distribution. And that is what you have here. When you check your table for frequency, the highest value is 11. And draw your vertical axis. You take it to 11. I've told you this is your 0. Your values should be increasing. Here I'm using 2 centimeters to 1 unit. 1, 2 centimeters. Another 1, that's 2, 3, 4, like that, to 11. Label it as frequency. Then see your horizontal axis. That will serve as your class boundaries. Here, your class boundaries. Now, I'm going to draw 8 rectangles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Use your wisdom and do correct spacing. I'm using 2 centimeters, that's 10 lines for my rectangles. I'm leaving this space, and I'm still able to achieve that even with a space left. I've already taken care of that. I've counted and I've seen that it's possible. That's why I could continue with this. Now, drawing this, the first class from 59.5, this is what you will use. Don't use your class intervals. From 59.5 to 64.5, we have 2. So if I'm starting from here, take it to 2. That is 59.5 to 64.5. The next frequency is 3. Remember, in histogram, no spacing. You don't space. So you just continue from here. Take it to 3. The same gap, 10 lines. Bring it down. 69.5. The next frequency is 6. So you just continue from your 3. Take it to 6. Bring it down. The same gap. 74.5. The next one is 11. So you just continue from here. Take it to 11. Bring it down. The same gap. 79.5. The next one is 8. So you come to 8 here. The same gap. 10 lines. 84.5. Next one, 7. So you come to 7 here. 10 lines. 89.5. Next one, 2. You come to 2 here. See 2 here. bring it down. 94.5, the last one is 1. Look at it here. Come to 1, 10 lines, 99.5. So with this, we have drawn our histogram. Now, you continue. C. Using your histogram, estimate the modal mark. Now, to estimate your modal mark, first thing, identify the tallest rectangle. Here's our tallest rectangle, look at it. Then come to the right top corner of it. Use your ruler, draw a straight line to the right top corner of the rectangle to its left. Come to the left top corner of the rectangle, draw a straight line to the left top corner of the rectangle to its right. Look at that rectangle to the right. You take it to the place. Then where the two lines meet, take it down vertically. See I'm using dot dot dot. You see it at the middle. See the place here. Then read. This line is falling in the class 74.5 to 79.5. If I want to know what a line will read, as I've told you before, you look for your class width by saying 79.5 minus 74.5, which will give you 5. Divide 5 by the number of lines. We have 10 lines in between them. So you have 0.5. That means if I want to read this, immediately after 74.5, the next line you add 0.5 and it will give you 75. Next 0.5, 75.5, 76, 76.5, 77, 77.5. The next line will be 78. So your modal mark is in between 77.5 and 78. Add these two, divide by 2. This will give you 155.5 over 2. Then when you divide this by 2, it will give you 77.75, and that is the modal mark.